From 2020 to 2024, North Carolina's population increased by more than 500,000 people. And with more people moving and staying here, we need to have a plan to build around our residents.
And they're all on the road going to the State Fair and Billie Eilish.
The concert, yeah.
CBS 17 Storm Team meteorologist Rachel Dunsing spoke with NC State researchers who are turning to AI for help.
It's no secret, North Carolina is developing quickly, which means we need to be able to plan around weather, temperature, even how our water flows. But a short-term plan isn't going to cut it.
We cannot design a bridge based on today's rainfall or tomorrow's rainfall. We need longer timescale information.
Sankar Arungam is a professor of civil, structural, and environmental engineering at NC State. He explains that global climate models are often used for infrastructure planning and management, so we can better plan around how the weather could change the next few decades. But there's a problem.
They, in general, have some systematic biases, and those biases need to be corrected if you want to use it for, let's say, Jordan Lake management, or for urban drainage over city of Raleigh, or for Wilmington.
These global climate models contain lots of data, but sometimes small-scale information is missed, and that's the bias that needs to be corrected. So in partnership with the Statistics Department, they opted to use machine learning, a type of artificial intelligence, to correct all that data.
Machine learning comes naturally when you the big data sets, especially with the technology advanced recent years.
And it worked. The global climate models, or GCMs, gave a decent overview, but after the data was corrected, more vital information was revealed.
We see some portions of Appalachian, some strong potential for flooding, which is not there in the GCM projections.
Researcher Shichi Fang says AI is the best way to improve data.
I think people are probably scared about machine learning, but it's really just a statistical method. If we want a better future planning, you needed to do the work, to do the bias correction.
As North Carolina continues to develop, planners and designers need all the data they can get to set us up for long-term success, not just with what the weather could bring for us, but what we will bring as well. And of course, the work continues. So the improvement to these global climate models can also help with energy management as well as power outages. They will, of course, continue to improve and find ways to use the data, which, by the way, is publicly available, so more city planners across the country can use it to benefit their infrastructure as well. So to learn more about this research, it is very interesting. Find the story on CBS17.com. Guys, it is really cool to see what they are doing with that machine learning and AI and again, using it for good in this instance.
Fascinating stuff.
Seeing AI used everywhere now. All right, Rachel, thank you.